Kaya guys, samahan ito ang kuhan. So,
where's your outfit? You're not gonna go swimming?
I thought those were swim
No, no.
we
Remember
are here
the
at
outfit.
G Park.
Huh?
G Park Hotel.
They don't
G
wanna
Park
go
Hotel.
swimming. They wanna go to we can go
G
to
Park Hotel,
tomorrow when
so-
it's brighter. Enjoy swimming now. We can always
Busy
go
pa
to the
sila.
pool. We will be staying here for like 3 nights.
Ma'am,
so you can do it tomorrow.
pila ganitong kuhan dire? Abang
Tagkuhanan ni sir, tag 300 per night.
300 per night?
300 per night.
Pila ganito ma'am? How much is the cost of this?
I forgot.
So, di na to, di matel ni ma'am kay puti man yung pagka. And then, iyahang room. So, makita ninyo. Look at that guys. So, let's go to the kitchen. Kung sa may kuan aning puting mahala. Nya, sa may sulod ani. Aircon? Kasi makaguba ta ani ba? Oh, walay sulod. Walay sulod guys. Sabi na kog na ay sulod beer. Mao rin na tubig ra libre sa 23,000. 23?
No, it's $666 for 3 nights. So
$666. So iko ano ninyo times 57 mao na guys. So mao rin ni ilang gihatag sa mga guys ni Scapi nga bratohon. Mao ni inclusive la nya ganahan ka mag Lipton, mag iced tea. Nya asa mahalon guro kay ni guys.
check out the bathroom. That's where you will be amazed.
Okay, so ikahuman ani. So natay heater. Pwede ta makalungag og saging ani Prel? Pwede ta makalungag saging.
Para makabayad ang corkage.
Adi pwede magdag food dire.
Pwede yung snacks na inana.
Okay.
Pero kanang magluto di pwede. Sila ra lutuan ra ta nila.
With a cost.
Wala cost gyapon. Di ba tayo mahimo guys? Nindot guys oy. Na yahang kuan nababo dire. Sus pagkanindot.
I'm excited.
Ano guys?
They're not gonna swim today. They're gonna go to pool.
Lah. Sila yung oven.
By the water, you can see it.
Yeah, I know, guys.
Oh.
Zach, you can
Natay
go to Pororo tomorrow. Okay, don't
Fridge.
waste your time in
Fridge.
Pororo right now.
Pororo. And
You
then
have only
era
short time. Do it tomorrow morning when we have the whole day.
Nasa duty lang yan sa Tuesday.
continue ta. Asa man inyong asa man ang
This is
CR?
actually the extra bed. So
Extra bed.
So you have to pay extra to get this because supposedly more did siya ang available beds.
So kyo nagbayad tag exist ani sa bed isa. Pero baka dawat sila ang ibayad oh. You will not accept the payments. Di ito tani kay tagsara bita ka redre.
And then, di ba,
May.
when we were looking for YouTube for Mactan Suite, there's only a few, right? Like a very detailed, really like there was a video, but then there was nothing about the kitchen.
Say
So we were unaware of what is in the kitchen.
na diri ang kuan guys.
Yan din isulit yung gibayad ay.
Asan siya mo ni?
Anda.
CR?
Dili, uy! Closet!
Closet di ay. Closet di guys. CR mo kuno sa mo? The bathroom.
Isn't it nice? That's where the money goes.
So ano yung gibayaran din guys oh. Wow.
Okay, then you go Pororo alone because they want to swim.
Kanindot.
I want to swim too.
Okay, so wala ng CR. Nani sa kwarto. Ay bathtub dire.
Kadako sa ulam.
tuwan. Ay, pati nindota guys. Sos. Di jud mo magmahay. Di mo magmahay gyud, no? Gusto mo manamin nga magtuwa din yung naam.
Dala akong dako.
Gusto mo nagaway. Maklaro imong pinballs ya. Sa manay kwarto, pwede higdaanan. Pati nindota kita. Awa, mura nag kapuyan.
Whirlpool tub, right?
I'm not so sure about that.
Okay, that's all.